There are three things that vegans love: Nucha, their pucha, and kombucha. Today we're going to try 2 kombuchas to see if I can actually, sorry, let me do that again. Tolerate it, that's the word I was looking for. Oh, kombucha contains 0% juice. I don't even know what that means. So for those of you who know me, the skeptical vegan, you know I'm very skeptical about kombucha. For some reason, vegans flock to this. There must be at least 20 different kombuchas on the market right now. In fact, I saw it at LAX when I was coming back from the Animal Rights National Conference. There's a restaurant with kombucha on tap in an airport. That's how popular kombucha is.
For real refreshment.
Born in the land of sky blue waters.
Now, for those of you who don't know what it is, probably the easiest definition is right on this label. It says probiotic tea, which means you're basically drinking very small bugs. And they add some flavor. Pina colada happens to be one of my favorite flavors of all time, and that supposedly is going to mask the fact that this stuff tastes terrible. I find kombucha completely undrinkable. Now again, that puts me sort of in the minority with not only the vegan community, but others who love kombucha. It's kind of this thing. I think they pretend like they like it. They're like, ooh, you've got to try this flavor of kombucha. Every time I've tried it, it's tasted like flat champagne, or if you're at a party and there's a can of beer someone left behind and they stuck their cigarette in it, that's what kombucha tastes like. What you're gonna see here right now on this video is me taste testing 2 kombuchas side by side to see if I can find even a little bit of enjoyment in either of them. Back to this one, it's called Bootleg Bucha. Apologies in advance to this company. It's obviously me, it's not you. This is the pina colada flavor probiotic tea. And I learned early on too, you don't shake kombucha because then you'd get all that sediment and all that gooey stuff. You know, so when they make this stuff, by the way, they're sticking a sock, like a dirty sock, in the water.
Born in the land of sky blue waters.
And then there's this thing called a SCOBY, which is an acronym for something disgusting, and you pull it out and it looks like a piece of flesh. I'm not kidding, it's like this filmy, kind of gross. Oh, anyway, you can have as much kombucha as you want, because I'm not gonna drink it. So in the bottom here is this like sediment of live cultures. Here's the pina colada flavor, which again, trust me, I've had my share of pina coladas. I love them.
If you like pina coladas.
I love getting caught in the rain.
And getting caught in the rain.
And then this one is from Wonder Drink. It says taste the goodness, which is kind of hilarious, right? But listen to these flavors: Asian pear and ginger. What wouldn't you love about Asian pear and ginger? So I picked this one up because of the beautiful label, because I like these 2 flavors, and because it has that little floating goo in the bottom. This is from Wonder Drink, taste the goodness. It's the Asian pear and ginger. Side by side, this one's a little bit darker. I don't know if that means more flavor or less flavor, more yummy or less yummy, but here we go. I'm really not looking forward to this. So our camera guy, this guy right here, says he likes kombucha because he likes drinking vinegar, which is the weirdest thing I've ever heard. This first one, Asia pear and ginger, I have absolutely no chance of liking. I'm guaranteeing that right now. This one I'm hoping I'm gonna like, so here we go. L'chaim. Smells good. Wouldn't it be funny if I liked this? Actually, I kind of like it. No, I don't. There it comes.
If you like pina coladas.
Honestly, Wonder Drink, this may be the best kombucha I've had. I'm gonna give it another taste. Very, very, they call it effervescent. It's a fancy word for bubbles. But I can feel those probiotics getting into my cele and my big intestines. So, honestly, I was expecting a lot worse. No, it's pretty bad. It's just not refreshing, right? And so I don't know why people are drinking it. I guess for health reasons. Oh, wishing I had something to wash that horrible sting in the back of my throat. Okay, here's the pina colada, here we go. Ooh, that smells good. Oh my God, I love coconut, right? So that helps. Oh. Probiotics, antioxidants, enzymes, and vitamins can be found in your Bootleg Bucha, Kombucha Pina Colada flavor, or pick up a jar of Wonder Drink. I'm still not convinced there's a kombucha out there I'm going to love, but for today, I submit 2 that I was able to actually take a couple of sips of. So thanks for tuning in. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know which kombucha you like or which kombucha you think I'm going to like, and I will definitely give it a try. So, oh, excuse me. Sorry about that. Have a great episode. Have a great day. Good. Thanks.